How to fix maximum number of attempts reached on TikTok. If you want to fix if TikTok says that maximum number of attempts reached, maybe you're trying to post something, comment something, like something or do something, it says maximum attempt reached. Now the reason for this is TikTok has noticed some kind of spammy behavior or a frequent behavior from your account. Maybe you are posting too much, commenting too much or doing something. That is why TikTok has limited or restricted your account to a certain degree. Now in most of the cases, this restriction is going to get lifted itself. So in this case, there is no need for you to do anything except to wait a couple of hours or the next day and then just try to do what you were trying to do earlier. Otherwise, there are a couple of workarounds which might work for some of you while might not also work for some. First of all, you can tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, go to settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, simply try to switch your account type. If you're using a personal account, you can simply try switching to a business account. After you've done that, simply scroll down, tap the logout button to log out of your account and then just come back to TikTok and log in once again. Then after you've done that, you can simply try to clear the cache files of TikTok, go to your Play Store, search for the TikTok app, check if the TikTok app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. That's all it takes for you to go ahead and then fix maximum number of attempts reached on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.